What's up, my bomb-ass subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, y'all? Welcome to the party, boo. I'm your hostess with the mostest, Tonyanicole, and welcome, my loves. Today on the platter, we have a bonus video for that ass, boo. And y'all already know what it is from the title. It is April's Boxycharm. I do pay for this subscription myself, guys. So if you want to see what regular smegular customers like me get, stay right there, boo, because we're about to unbox this baby real soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, my loves? Welcome. As I said in the intro, you have entered the party of Tonyanicole and her bomb-ass unboxing world. I hope before you leave, you will smash that subscribe button and become a part of my bomb-ass subscribers. Also, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if this is the type of content that you like seeing from me. I will not have shout outs in this video, guys, since it is a bonus, but make sure you are tuned in tomorrow, Saturday, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for that unboxing. It will definitely have the shout outs in that one. I am right now on my community tab doing a poll to see what you guys want to see for Saturday. So please, 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 my loves, after you watch this video, go to my community tab and vote on which unboxing you guys want for tomorrow. Now, we got all that out the way. I have a drink today, y'all. Girl, I'm fumbling and stumbling. Let me slow down. Wait. Okay. Today's drink, my loves, is a little bit of red wine. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Boo, it's Friday. Hit it. So this won't be a long one, my loves. I'm going to give you the specs really quick on this box, and then we're going to unbox it. So this is the $25 per month subscription. This is the base box. You're supposed to receive 5 full-size products each month in this box with an average value of around $175. They do allow you to customize one product each month. I do not have choice date. Girl, I have really been like slacking on that, really. But if I find out, I'll put it at the bottom of the video. Now, y'all know I got a love-hate relationship with Boxycharm, so I'm hoping that this one is a winner chicken dinner. I haven't opened it yet, but we're about to get this box on and popping. Boo. Let me go on and drink. Hey, hey. All right, I got my little box cutter right here. We're gonna slice this daddy open. All right, I'm gonna give y'all, this is what it's looking like when you get the base box. It's gonna be red on the inside. And let's sit it on down. We do get a card each month, and the theme for this month is sweet treats. On the back, it does give us a list of all of the products as well as descriptions and prices and the variation number. I will put the prices down below on the video and variation towards the end as well as a total. So let's just dig right on in and see what we got. So I'm noticing right up top, we ain't even getting no little black foam this month. Okay, Boxycharm. So first up, I am seeing from Laura Geller, and this is the iconic Baked Sculpting lipstick right here. Now, I don't really see Laura Geller anywhere, honestly, except TJ Maxx. So do you guys purchase Laura Geller? I don't know. I don't really see it around anywhere. We have the shade Green Witch St. Berry. This is what the packaging is looking like, my loves, right there. Let's go on and take it. Oh, okay. It's like fish scaly type texture. Can you guys see that? Oh, wow. And it's a pink color. I will not swatch this because I probably will not use it. I'll just put it. Oh, it has a magnet. Cute. I'll just put this in a future giveaway. So let's see what this baby retails for. All right, so this is the Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick, and this retails for $21. Okay. Would y'all pay $21 for Laura Geller makeup lipstick or whatever? All right, I'm going to be positive, y'all. Yes, because I'm in a good mood today. So we're going to get on to our next little product. And next product that I see is from Studio Makeup, and this is the Tinted Moisturizer. Now, I don't even remember what I picked. I'm gonna have to go back in my email and see. I'm not really too sure, but this is a tinted moisturizer. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid. It's hydrating, firming, and it has a youthful effect. Okay, let's see what this looks like. We pull it out the box. This is what we're looking like right here, my loves. And you do get 1.5 fluid ounces of product. It does come with this little pump. And I'm going to pump some on the back of my hand so I can see what it looked like. It's a tinted moisturizer. Anytime now. All right, let's take it like this then. Oh, okay, I think it's broken. I don't know. If y'all's came like that, let me know, but I think my little stick fell out. I'm not sure. But that's what we looking like when we swatch it right there. Let's blend it out a little bit. It's very like golden, I guess. Warm. There we go right there. So that's the tinted moisturizer. I'll put a little bit on my chest just to see. We will, hopefully I remember, and I'll do like a little follow-up on it. But you can see it's like quite orangey on my chest. But I am happy to see a tinted moisturizer in this box. I am. So let's see what this baby retails for. And I think it's actually a pretty decent shade match. So I'm not mad with it. This right here, my guys, retails for $35. And it is a tinted moisturizer with a light to medium coverage, formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skin care benefits with lightweight coverage and a glowy look. $35. And this is a Boxycharm exclusive, my loves. So our next product is from Tere or Tere Mars. Girl, I don't know. That's what it's looking like right there, my loves. And this is a body cleanser. You get 150 milliliters of product in here. So I guess it's like a body wash. I don't know. Oh, it doesn't have a safety seal. Let's squirt a little bit out. Okay, it's like a gel. Okay, it's very, very, very watery. Ooh, smells good though, like a lemon or a citrus type scent. Let me read up about this little baby right here. And this is the Tere de Mars body cleanser. It's an organic, low foaming, soft cleanser that's suitable for all skin types. It's infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. Together, they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. This retails for $22. And let me know what you guys think about this product. Let me know if you received this product in your box. I'm not really too mad about a body cleanser. I do like a body wash, so I'm not really mad with it. Surprisingly, huh? I'm in a good mood, baby. All right, guys. So next up we have from Eloise, and this is a Get Gleaming Body Illuminator right there. And let's open her up and see what she looking like. A body gleamer. That's what I say? Gleamer. Yeah. Illuminator. So since it is summertime, no, it's not really summer yet, it's spring, but summer is coming. So, oh, it does have here, guys, use code Boxycharm for 20% off your entire order. Haha. So this is what it looks like right there. Very, very, very pretty. I love the bottle. Love how it's looking in that bottle. And since it's summertime, you know, I guess people want to make like their body glisten and stuff. So normally I would not swatch this because, you know, I don't be liking to put all this greasy looking stuff on my skin, but ooh, look at that. Now this actually, I think this actually would complement my skin tone really, really nice. Look at that, and I like this, okay. Ooh, girl, and a little bit goes a long way, so please don't be like me and use that much. But look how it's glistening, okay. All right, you get 30 milliliters of product in here. Let me get my little card, boo. So this is from Eloise Beauty. It's the Get Gleaming Body Glow. It's a non-sticky and a lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas of the face and body for a dazzling, buildable glow. It's transfer proof and it's filled with ultra sparkly reflex to to radiate your skin. Wow, this retails for $38, my loves. But you just need a little bit. And actually, I think that will look really good like on my neck, my shoulders, when I'm wearing like a strapless dress. I like it. Oh, I like this. And so far, oh, I see the gleam in it. I know y'all probably can't see it. So far, though, it's not feeling really sticky at all. So I'm happy with this. Okay. All right. Pleasantly surprised. And we have one more little product, my loves, and it is a palette. And it is the Natasha Denona palette right here. I'm sure you guys have seen this 100 times. This is what your girl is looking like. Now, I will say, I'm not really wowed by this one. The colors are gorgeous. This is definitely, let me open it so you guys can see. This is definitely Tonyanicole shades, but I saw some pictures of this palette. It just looked a little different to me. I don't know. It's a beautiful palette. I'm very excited to receive Natasha Denona, and I will use it because the colors are gorgeous. Let me just do the two shimmers really quick in this deeper shade. That's what they look like on, let me do this one again. That's what they look like on my fingers. I'm gonna swatch it out on my hand really quick. It is kind of powdery. The matte color is a little powdery, as you can see in the pan, but that's how they swatched out. Matte shades are okay. Shimmer shades are nice and buttery. I do like that. So even though I'm not like overly, oh my God, obsessed with this one, I'm happy to receive it. I just wished it was a little bit bolder. I mean, or a little more color for summer. Get it? Yeah. So this is a Boxy exclusive, guys, and this is $48. Now, would I pay $48 for this? Absolutely not. All righty, lovers. So that was our final product in this month's Boxycharm base box. Let's quickly do a recap. We're going to do final thoughts and we're going to be done. So we received from Studio Makeup this Tinted Moisturizer. From Laura Geller, this lipstick right here. From Natasha Denona, this palette, 5 shadow eyeshadow palette. From Louise, this body illuminator. And from Tere de Mars, this body cleanser. So these 5 products for this month, my loves. And the total for our box, I'm going to add it up really quick. I'll be right back with that total. Okay, and this month's total, guys, is $164. Not the $175, but $164. Final thoughts was, I thought, surprisingly, I thought this base box was pretty interesting. I do love the fact that we have 4 makeup products this month, my loves. 4. We got this Tinted Moisturizer, which I actually probably could use. We got this beautiful body illuminator. We got the Natasha Denona palette and a lipstick. So 4 makeup products out of 5 is what, I mean, that's what I've been asking for at Boxycharm. I want more makeup, and I'm happy to see a tinted moisturizer and a body illuminator. I'm happy to see Natasha Denona. The only thing that was like kind of like a dud to me was the Laura Geller lipstick. I could have done without that, but I know every product can't be like a winner chicken dinner. And then we just got this body cleanser that I will definitely use. So I thought this month's box was pretty good. I like it. Y'all, I like it. Can you believe it? I know I can't either. But yes, that's my thoughts, my loves. What y'all think? I'm pleasantly surprised. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw in the damn whale's belly. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? Your girl, Tonyanicole. Just because I think Boxycharm is listening to me a little bit this month, which I know they're not, I'm going to give them a strong 3.5 to 3.75 this month. I enjoyed the box. So y'all let me know in the comments down below what you thought. Don't forget, guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. And make sure that you are catching up on my videos. I did the side chick box. I did a few more boxes. Just go back and look, y'all. Check it out and get to know your girl. All right? So that's all that I have, my loves. Until next time and next video, I will see you all in the comments and on tomorrow. Bye.